Good day to everyone that will be watching this. I will be answering the 5 questions of the life coaching um, final assessment. Okay, number 1, what motivated you to engage in these lifelong learning activities? Well, considering that our world is rapidly evolving in different kind of ways, I wanna be someone who can at least evolve with the world at my own pace as well. And to do that, I need to learn different stuffs that can help me grow as an individual and also grow as a person in a community. Now, the second question is, what specific skills or knowledge did you gain from your experience? Well, considering that it was a fun run was hosted by our school, MCM, it taught me personally that having having good physical health can go a long way in different kind of things, such as um, such as my health in general and so on and so forth. Now, how do you think this experience will shape your future? Well, considering that it's not really does not have any big impact to my career, but as being healthy, physically healthy as much as possible can boost the overall productivity of a person since he won't be he won't be affected much in physical fatigue or such and such. I think that will be in a way helpful in its own way. Now, in what way can you continue to seek out lifelong learning opportunities? Well, that depends really on how you grab on those different kinds of opportunities, since opportunities comes in different kind of ways, in such that skills that you may not think are useful can be learned in specific kind of scenarios, but it's not really helpful for you, but maybe in the future it can be helpful in its own way in time. But learning learning skills that can be helpful for my future is something that I need to strive for and look for, since they are rare they are rare opportunities. And actually, what I plan in this summer is, in the short summer of mine, would be to to accept the opportunity given to me and my friends to come with someone who is a licensed engineer or architecture, I don't really know, and look at the project that he is creating in a way that would be um um how should I say this, an eye opener to what I can be in the future. Now, for the last question, what challenges did you face during your engagement and how did you overcome them? Well, since it's a mostly physical activity, it would be one, stamina, and two, just my overall leg condition, considering even when I was young, I have weak um feet feet feet, because they I mean, in my own way I am fast, but it's somewhat of a glass cannon in a way, since I easily get injured or will be in not in a good condition to continue for a very long time. That is all for me. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.